Hey, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. If you are finding yourself low on storage space on your Android phone and don't want to part with your important files, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will explore some practical ways to free up space without deleting those precious photos, videos, and documents. Here's what we will cover. 1. Clearing cache data. 2. Using Storage Manager. 3. Removing unnecessary apps. 4. Transferring files to the cloud. 5. Utilizing external storage. Let us jump right in and get your phone storage back on track. Method 1. First up, let us talk about clearing cache data. Cache data consists of temporary files that apps use to speed up performance. While they are meant to improve your experience, these files can pile up and consume a lot of space. Here's how you can clear cache data. Open Settings on your phone. Tap on Storage. Look for an option like Cache Data or Other and tap it. Confirm by selecting Clear Cache Data. Keep in mind that clearing cache data won't delete your personal files or settings. It simply removes temporary files that apps use to run faster. If you want to do this for specific apps, go to Settings, Apps, select the app, Storage, Clear Cache. Method 2. Using Storage Manager. Next, let us make use of Android's built-in Storage Manager. This tool helps you identify and remove items that you might not need, such as duplicate files, large files, or unused apps. Here's how to access and use it. Go to Settings, tap on Storage, look for Storage Manager or Free Up Space. Follow the prompts to review and delete unnecessary files. The Storage Manager will offer suggestions for items to remove, including old files or rarely used apps. It is a great way to get a quick overview of what is consuming your storage. Method 3. Removing unnecessary apps. Another effective method is to remove apps that you no longer use. Apps can take up a significant amount of storage, especially if they include large media files or cache data. To identify and remove unnecessary apps, open Settings, tap on Apps or Apps and Notifications. Browse through the list and identify apps you don't use. Select the app and tap Uninstall. Before you uninstall an app, check its storage usage to ensure you are not removing something essential. If you are unsure, you might consider disabling the app instead of uninstalling it, especially if it is a pre-installed app you don't use often. Method 4. Transferring files to the cloud. Transferring files to cloud storage is a fantastic way to free up space while keeping your files accessible. Services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive offer convenient ways to store and manage your files online. Here's how to upload files to the cloud. Install a cloud storage app if you haven't already. Open the app and sign in into your account. Tap on the Upload button or select Add to Upload Files. Choose the files you want to move to the cloud and follow the prompts to upload them. Once your files are uploaded, you can safely delete them from your phone to free up space. Just make sure you have a good internet connection during the upload process. Method 5. Utilizing external storage. Finally, consider using external storage options like SD cards or USB drives. This can be a lifesaver if you need additional space and don't want to delete any files. To use an SD card, insert the SD card into your phone's SD card slot. Go to Settings, tap on Storage, and then SD card. Select Move Data to SD card to transfer files from your internal storage. For USB drives, you will need an OTG on-the-go adapter to connect the USB drive to your phone. Once connected, you can move files by accessing the USB drive through Files or My Files app. External storage can be a great way to offload large files and keep your internal storage free for everyday use. And that's it. By following these steps, clearing cache data, using the storage manager, removing unnecessary apps, transferring files to the cloud, and utilizing external storage, you can free up valuable space on your Android phone without losing any important files. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.